Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about muscle cell or muscle fiber. Here we are going to discuss that this skeletal muscle fiber is going to constitute the muscles. Okay, let's talk about the same. The muscle fiber or muscle cells, as we have discussed in our previous lecture, that the muscles they are consist of the muscle bundles, and those muscle bundles are containing these muscle cell, and further they are containing the cylindrical rod-like structures of microfilaments or myofibrils. So this is similar to that of the cell. The cell is made up of what? The cell is made up of cell membrane, the cytoplasm and all. In the same way, this is also containing the plasma membrane. This is the one muscle cell. Okay, and this muscle cell's covering is plasma membrane. We'll talk about the terms also. And this is multinucleated, as we were discussing in the characteristics. Okay, many nucleus and the nucleus are present at the base itself. Okay, scintium. The term is used for this, that the sarcoplasm. What it is? What this is? The plasma, which is the gel-like substance filled in the cell, जिसको हम cytoplasm बोलते हैं in the general cell. So this is a sarcoplasm when we are talking about the muscle cell, because the term sarco is used for the muscle. Fine. So this is the sarcoplasm. Now this is going to contain the endoplasmic reticulum, because cell contain all the organelle. This cell is also containing, but it is abundant in that of mitochondria and ER, and rest all the organelles are present in it. So in the case of this muscle cell, the organelle, that sarcoplasmic reticulum, is generally present just below the membrane. Okay, they are present just below the membrane in between the tubule. These foldings are the tubule. This is sarcoplasmic reticulum, and it also contains mitochondria. Over here we are going to call these mitochondria as mitochondria sarcosome. Fine. So let's label this. Plasma membrane is termed as sarcolemma. Sarco word for the muscle. The cytoplasm of the muscle cell is sarcoplasm. Okay, and the term which we are using over there is scintium. SY scintium. That is multinucleated, as you can see. Okay, this is nucleus. This is mitochondria, sarcosome, and the endoplasmic reticulum. The term is sarcoplasmic reticulum. And the interesting thing about this sarcoplasmic reticulum is it is a storehouse for the calcium ions. Okay, it stores the calcium in abundance, and calcium plays very important role during the contraction of muscle. Okay, when we'll talk about the mechanism of the muscle contraction, then we'll see how the calcium is provided by these sarcoplasmic reticulums. Okay, now these invaginations you are able to see. Yes, it folds in folds and sarcolemma के. These are termed as T tubules. These are termed as T tubules. And when we were discussing about the arrangement of the muscle, like what kind of cells are present in that, there we were talking about the covering of connective tissue around every structure. So that particular connective tissue layer which is going to cover this this is the muscle fiber, and muscle fiber के बाहर complete all over it the covering which is present, that is termed as epimysium. Okay, the layer of the connective tissue, that is epimysium. What it is? Epimysium. Fine. So this is all about the structure of the muscle fiber, cylindrical in shape, multinucleated, mitochondria which are termed as sarcosome, endoplasmic reticulum termed as sarcoplasmic reticulum, which act as a storehouse, and they are acting as a storehouse for what? For the calcium. Okay, calcium is stored in the sarcoplasmic reticulum over here, and rest is what? When this sarcoplasm, it is containing, here I can only show you that it is going to contain the cylindrical rod-like structures which are termed as myofibrils. Okay, in the cytoplasm, this is the sarcoplasm which we are considering in the case of muscle cell. In this parallelly arranged cylindrical rod-like structures made up of contractile protein which are termed as myofibril. Okay, so this myofibril is containing the bands of actin and myosin. Right? So that we will discuss in detail the myofibril. Thank you.